guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. As you see from the title, you guys, I am back with another BlendJet video. But today, you guys, I'm going to show you the new, well, it's been out maybe a couple of weeks now, but the new Jetsetter bags. I just got it in the mail today. As you see, the package is here. But I'm going to show you what color I have and how it looks, you guys. I'm like so excited. I may use it more. I may use it for more than just using my blender, but here it is, the new Jetsetter, and they do come in 3 colors. I think they have black, lavender, and this is mint. So I really love this color. I like the color teal, mint colors. So this is the bag. So this is like good for when you want to travel or go anywhere and you want to pack your smoothie, or you know, if you have a Ziploc bag with your frozen fruits in it, or if you have your vegetables, anything you want to take with you, this bag is good. Even if you don't want to take your BlendJet and make anything, if you want to take this, put you some papers in it, if you got to travel, work, whatever, this is a good bag to have. But this is good for like parents who may have kids and you want to pack their lunch if you're traveling. But this is the inside. Hope you guys can see that. It has like a little fold here, a little cup holder, a little cup pouch here, and it is insulated for drinks, anything cold. It has little pockets in there. You can put whatever in the pocket part, your phone or whatever in there. So it's really roomy, you guys. I like the room in it. Oh, that comes out. So I guess it's easy to clean as well. I see. If you spill anything, it's easy to clean off. So that's not bad. And let's see. But yeah, like I said, that's the inside. You may can put, let's see. That fits in there, you guys. The BlendJet fits inside of the cup pouch. You see that? I hope you can see that. It fits inside of there. So you could put that inside of your bag. Hey, so good, you guys. Yeah, so that's that. And then I'm going to show you the sleeve. This is the sleeve. So when you order, it comes together. You get the lavender, the mint, or the black, and it comes together. You get the tote and you get the sleeve. So we're going to open the sleeve and show how the BlendJet go inside of the sleeve. Let's see. Okay, this is how it looks. It has a little handle. Well, no, the handle is here. The handle is here, and this is to unzip it. Okay, I'm gonna put it inside and see how it fits. Fits perfect. What you want to do is kind of push that down in there. There it goes. And there you have it. Perfect. So anytime, even if you don't want to tote your bag, you can always have this. Blend your smoothie. If you want to get your frozen fruit, your frozen veggies, put it in your bag. Get where you're going, get your liquid, put it in, blend it up, rinse it out, clean it out wherever you are. Or if you don't have any water at the moment to clean it out, put it back in your sleeve, bag, take it home, clean it. You guys, I really like this. I really do like this. And then like you could put it inside of here. Put it in there. Zip it up. And you're ready to go. And I love that it's big. If you are a mom, I'm sure you can relate to what I'm saying. Like a lot of times we need that extra bag for our kids, especially if we have small kids, because you may need space for extra clothes. You may need space for whatever, because when you have small kids, you have to bring extra things with you in case, just in case. So this is really good to have. I like the tote and I like the sleeve, and I love the color. So if you already have a BlendJet or BlendJet 2, this is really good to have if you want to travel or take it anywhere you need to go, like work or anything. This is really good to have. And also the tote. And like I said, even if you don't want to take your blender, you can use it. You can put your cup in here, whatever you have, and use the bag for whatever convenience for you. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show you guys what I got in the mail today. The new Jetsetter tote and the Jetsetter sleeve, and like I said, it comes together. Now here's a good part, like I always do. If you guys would like a 10% discount, look down in the description box, you guys. Click on the link and put in the code HealthyWay12 to get you 10% off. You choose the color that you like, lavender, black, or mint. And like I said, this is mint. So if you have already purchased your BlendJet 2 and you would like to take it with you anywhere, or if you think that this is very convenient for you, like I said, look down in the description and get your 10% off today. And if you haven't already purchased a BlendJet 2, you can also click on the link as well and put in the code HealthyWay12 to get you 10% off of your whole purchase. Go ahead and get you a BlendJet 2 and get you a Jetsetter as well. Well, you guys, that's going to be it. I just wanted to come on real quick and show you guys what I got in the mail today. I'm super excited to have it. I love this color, and I love just having extra room for the things that I need when I'm on the go, because I'm on the go a lot, and this really come in handy. This nice size tote, and you know, my sleeve as well. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you so much again to all my new subscribers, everyone that gives me feedback on the BlendJet 2, everyone that comments, let me know, you know, that they got their blender, they love it. I just thank everyone for just interacting with me. Most of everyone that comments or, you know, have positive things to say, I will pretty much comment back to you guys. And I really, really enjoy, you know, just being on here talking about BlendJet 2 and showing it to you guys, letting you all know what I found, what I like, and just giving you a discount on it. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the videos as well. That's gonna be it for this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.